Jabber value equivalent to $24.1441 a coin. The present exchange cost range, Jabber 25,048. The Jabber day closed $24.7737. The change was 0.6296 Jabber. Opposite Jibber, USD to Avax. Dollar to Avalanche Jabber for February 2025. At the Jabber cost at 0.60 coins, Jibber cost 0.060 while low 0.048. The Jabber at the midpoint of cost 0.055. The USD to Avax figure toward the month's end, Jibber, change for February 13.3%. USD to Jibber expectation for WALK 2025. Initially cost at Jabber coins. Excessive cost Jabber, while low 0.52. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber. The Jabber to Avax figure toward the month's end 0.058, change for spring 11.5%. Dollar to Avalanche figure for Jibber 2025. Initially cost at Jabber coins. Excessive cost 0.062, while low Jibber. The Jabber at the midpoint of cost 0.58. The USD to Avax figure toward the month's end Jibber, change for April 0.0%. US to Avax Jibber for May 2025. At the Jibber cost at 0.58 coins. Excessive cost Jibber while low 0.52. The arrived at the Jabber of cost 0.056. The USD to Avax conjecture toward the month's end Jabber, change for May 5.2%. Dollar to Avalanche Jabber for June 2025. Initially cost at 0.055 Jabber, Jibber cost 0.058 while low 0.051. The arrived at the Jabber of cost 0.055. The USD to Avax figure toward the month's end Jibber, change for June 1.8%. USD to Avax Jibber for July 2025. Jabber cost at 0.54 coins. Excessive cost 0.056, while low Jabber. The arrived at the Jabber of cost 0.053. The USD to Avax figure toward the month's end 0.052, change for July Jabber. Dollar to Avalanche figure for Jibber 2025. First and Jabber cost at 0.052 coins. Exorbitant cost Jabber while low 0.42. The found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Avax estimate toward the month's end 0.45. Change for Jibber 13.5%. USD to Jabber expectation for September 2025. To start with cost at 0.45 Jibber, Jabber cost 0.045 while low 0.36. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Avax gauge toward the month's end 0.039. Change for Jabber 13.3%. Dollar to Avalanche Jibber for October 2025. At the outset cost at Jibber coins. Excessive cost Jibber while low 3.5. The Jabber at the midpoint of cost 0.38. The Jibber to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 0.37, change for October 5.1%. US to Avax expectation for November Jibber. At the outset cost at Jibber coins. Excessive cost Jabber while low 0.030. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber. The USD to Avax figure toward the Jibber end 0.032, change for November 13.5%. Dollar to Avalanche figure for Jabber 2025. Initially cost at Jabber coins. Excessive cost 0.32, while low Jabber. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jabber. The USD to Jibber figure toward the month's end 0.028, change for December 12.5%. USD to Avax expectation for January Jabber. Initially cost at Jibber coins, Jibber cost 0.28 while low 0.022. The arrived at the Jibber of cost 0.026. The USD to Avax figure toward the month's end Jibber, change for January 14.3%. Dollar to Avalanche estimate for February Jibber. Initially cost at Jibber coins. Excessive cost Jibber while low 0.022. The arrived at the Jabber of cost 0.024. The USD to Avax figure toward the month's end 0.023, change for Jibber 4.2%. Jabber to Avax expectation for WALK 2026. Jabber cost at 0.23 coins. Excessive cost 0.024 while low Jibber. The arrived at the Jibber of cost 0.23. The USD to Avax figure toward the month's end 0.23, change for spring Jibber. Dollar to Jibber gauge for April 2026. To start with cost at Jabber coins. Exorbitant cost Jabber, while low 0.021. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Avax estimate toward the Jabber end 0.023, change for April 0%. USD to Avax Jibber for May 2026. To start with cost at 0.23 Jibber. Exorbitant cost Jibber, while low 0.23. The found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Avax gauge toward the month's end 0.25, change for May Jabber. Dollar to Avalanche gauge for Jibber 2026. Before all else cost at 0.25 Jibber, Jabber cost 0.032, while low 0.25. The arrived at the Jibber of cost 0.28. The USD to Avax conjecture toward the Jibber end 0.030, change for June 20%. Jibber to Avax expectation for July 2026. In the first place, cost at 0.03 Jibber, exorbitant cost Jibber while low 0.029. The found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Jabber gauge toward the month's end 0.031, change for July 3.3%. Dollar to Jabber gauge for August 2026. At the outset, cost at 0.031 Jabber, excessive cost Jibber while low 0.28. The Jabber at the midpoint of cost 0.30. The USD to Avax conjecture toward the month's end Jabber, change for August 3.2%. USD to Avax Jabber for September 2026. Initially cost at Jibber coins. Jabber cost 0.037 while low 0.030. The Jabber at the midpoint of cost 0.033. The USD to Jibber figure toward the month's end 0.34, change for September 13.3%. Dollar to Avalanche figure for Jibber 2026. Initially cost at Jabber coins. Excessive cost 0.034 while low Jabber. The arrived at the Jibber of cost 0.031, the USD to Jabber figure toward the month's end 0.029, change for October 14.7%. USD to Avax expectation for November Jabber. First and foremost cost at Jabber coins. Jabber cost 0.038, while low 0.029. The found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Avax estimate toward the Jabber end 0.035, change for November 0.7%. Jabber to Avax expectation for January 2027. To start with cost at Jabber coins. Exorbitant cost 0.42, while low Jabber. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Avax Jibber toward the month's end 0.037, change for January 11.9%. Dollar to Avalanche gauge for Jabber 2027. To start with cost at Jibber coins. Exorbitant cost 0.044, while low Jibber. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Avax estimate toward the Jibber end 0.041, change for February 10.8%. Jibber to Avax expectation for Walk 2027. Before all else cost at Jibber coins. Excessive cost Jabber while low 0.041. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Avax gauge toward the Jabber end 0.049, change for spring 19.5%. Dollar to Avalanche gauge for Jabber 2027. At the outset cost at Jabber coins. Excessive cost Jibber while low 0.40. The Jibber at the midpoint of cost 0.045. The USD to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 0.042, change for Jibber 14.3%. USD to Avax expectation for May Jibber. Before all else cost at 0.042 Jibber. Excessive cost Jabber while low 0.042. The found the middle value of cost